episode of Balloon Tutorial video. For today's video, we are going to make another balloon bouquet, and this time, obviously, as you can see, we are going to make a Spider-Man themed balloon bouquet. Before we start, I would just like to invite you guys to follow us on Instagram. It's Alysons.partyballoons. So yeah, so let's go ahead guys and check out all the supplies that we will be using for this video. Okay, so these are the supplies that we will be using for the balloon bouquet. I have here the red, I have here blue, red, and black regular size latex balloons, and the 5 inches latex balloons as well. And then if you notice, I have here the chrome blue. These are the 7 inches from the Qualatex brand. I am going to use that to accent the bouquet. And then, as I have mentioned, that we'll be doing a third birthday Spider-Man. So this one is from Bargain Balloons, and I love to work with this 26 inches. It's not too big, unlike the 34 or the 40 inches size. So I love working with this when doing your balloon bouquet. I might also be adding some details or accent this mini foil stars in blue, red, and black as well. And then, as you all know, that I detailed the small balloons using this 260Q. I will cut this in half later. And then for our tape, we will be using this balloon bond as well as this stretchy tape for the foil balloon. I also have my glue dots in case I will be needing this one as well. So our scissors, this yarn to make our base. I also have 2 water weights here, and then our electric pump, hand pump, and so yeah, let's go ahead and do our bouquet. First, we are going to inflate all our balloons. So I'm gonna start inflating our regular size, the 12-inch latex ones. So as always, I will be inflating them for about 9 to 10 inches big. So now we have here first set of quad for the 10 inches in size, and I also have here the quad for the 5 inches in size. So for this set here, I'll be making 3 of them and then 2 of this set. Okay guys, so now that we have inflated most of the balloons that we will be making for the bouquet, now let's start doing the base first. So what I'm gonna do is I'll grab my first 9 inches quad, and then I'll tie my string to the first quad. And then I'll grab my second cluster, this one, the smaller one, the 5 inches, and then I'll stack it on top of this bigger cluster, and then just wrap it around so that they will attach. I inflated 2 clusters of this 5 inches size to kind of put it here at the end on both end of the base. Okay guys, so now your base should look like this. So you have here the 3 clusters of the bigger one, and then the 2 small clusters, and then the 5-inch clusters on both ends. So your base should look like this. It doesn't matter what color, so you just work on the theme or the color that you wanted to do. So next is I am going to attach my water weight. So the way I place them is I will just squeeze them in the middle of this cluster here, and then I'll tie it to an extra neck that you can grab. Okay, so now I'm going to attach this number 3 foil balloon. So what I'm gonna do is to tie a 260Q on both tying neck over here, and then okay guys, so now that we have this look, so as you notice, we still have a few spaces here that makes this 2 foil balloons not super secure to the base. So now we are going to detail them with this 5 inches latex balloon. So okay, so what I did is I just attached both clusters in a 260Q. guys, so here is our final look for our Spider-Man themed balloon bouquet. The last step that I did was fill up all the spaces with this 5 inches latex balloons. And then I also did my the mini star foil balloons over there. And then lastly, I always like to detail it with a bunch of helium-filled latex balloons and the regular size of the foil balloon there, the happy birthday one. So yeah, those are actually optional, so it's all up to you on what detail or accent would you like to make. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So as I have mentioned, please follow us on our Instagram. It's at alysons.partyballoons. If you wanted to check out more of our balloon designs, I always post there regularly from time to time. So check that one out. And also our Facebook page at Alyson's Party Balloons. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye! See you guys in our next video.